key uniform or desert wear uniform or bomb blast. Say they give you rifle. Use the morale, stand for road, or say you know they come for barrack, you know go feel resign, or you know go feel commode. Say all that now.
This is what this Biafra Liberation Army commander, this is the kind of message he sent to the Nigerian soldier. So just take home to your time and watch this video. After you finish watching this video, drop your opinion in the comment section and also share the video so that other people can be able to watch this particular video, because it is very, very important. Nigerian soldiers have been killing our people in Imo State. They have been killing our youth every day by day. In a daily basis, they have been killing our people, burning houses. So just take to your time and watch this video, and also share your opinion in the comment section, because you are going to like what is said in this particular video. Thank you, and may God bless you. On love.
Key uniform or desert wear uniform or bomb blast. Say they give you rifle. Use the morale, stand for road, or say you know they come for barrack, you know go feel resign, or you know go feel commode. Say order na order. Say man can die, woman borns another. Say your morale high. My guy, use your brain. Sorry. Use your brain. Find somewhere, go. If they pay you salary, go look for another African country, go. Look for a better business, do. Have a good family. Not be that barrack on a day, block 1, block 2. Your family are suffering, you are still paying tax inside your barrack. How much they pay you? At the end, you still use your money, go sew uniform, buy boots. How much remain for your salary? Why one man have 40 houses in Nigeria giving you orders? One man have a home in London, in UK, in different parts of Africa, in Africa country and European country, and you are here suffering. Say you are serving your father's nation, and you say you are a military or a police officer. The government are using your head. You are suffering, giving you changes, making you as if say you are a tout in the road, while they are busy sending their children overseas, building the houses for them, buying the houses from there. Tomorrow you collect more change where you want to take help your family because the money no day. May you go road collect money, somebody come video you, they come send and give you order, they come bring you for social media, come disgrace you, come put your uniform, they come out your uniform from president of the whole world. They say this one a corrupt police, this one a corrupt army. How do you feel? Make una dey use my brain. Because say make it they no come out your uniform, make it for retire. At the end, if you retire, they come they send you 30,000, 70,000 every month. Is that how you want to continue your life or your children's life? Is that how you want to train your family? Look at the road in Africa, in Nigeria, especially in Nigeria. People are suffering. Every day, every year is road and lights they will use to campaign. Go come to European country, Africa country. There are some machineries they are doing every year. So if every year they are multiplying something, they manufacture something. Good thing, technology. There are some rifles that you have not seen. In Nigeria, they have in that place. Even in Biafra land, let me not go far. We are Nigerians suffering every day. And now people are telling you are one Nigeria. Dambro Bankani. Who told you that you are one Nigeria? Look how the armed forces, the heads, oh, Anybody that come as a president will put his people in that seat, in every seat. And you're telling me you want Nigeria? Kai. God go punish British. God go punish British people. God go punish them. And because they never enter Nigeria, they foresee war way past war. Me, I am proud to be an Africa. I am proud to be a Biafra man. Let me repeat myself again. You see that man that was bribing me money. Now come down and go fire you. Say, make I go kill my people. Because of 25 million and 5 million. God now go punish you. I don't have much to say. You that bribe me with that money, I go find you. I go track you. I go locate you. You go tell me the meaning of that word. I give you only 4 days and I go meet you. Only 4 days I will come meet you. I promise you, Allah. That spirit you talk to. Well, the people of Biafra, God go bless you people. God go protect you people. Make una get patience. Get patient. Wallahi. Mazin Nandikalu will come aside. Biafra don't already come. Biafra don't already come. Muna put on for mind. It's just a matter of time. Yeah, we couldn't get patient. Nothing spoil. Just we couldn't matuna guide. Matuna guide. We couldn't go back shoe, keep and down. Because a serious war is about to come. It's about to come. I'm telling you people the truth. Oh. I'm telling you people the truth. A serious war is about to come. Make una mountain God. The people of Biafra, nothing go do now. May God bless Mazi Rose, wherever anywhere where he did. I don't know him, but God could bless him for a good work. God go see bless Dr. Ngozi Arabweze for their good work. They do their own. Go do their own. No, I felt on I say make una allow A do his own work, B do his own work, C do his own work. We are all one blood as a Biafran. If we do our own like that, Biafran go quick come. They no go understand. Your enemy no go understand where they want for who, where they want who, where they want from. They do their own. Now the one way you talk come and now they go no. God go bless Gentle the Yahoo. God go bless Butuzo. God go bless Njemeko. God go bless all the freedom fighters of Biafra. Nothing go fi amuna. Na prayer they pray for una so. Nothing go do una. We dey una back. Na maybe see me no more. We dey una back. Hear me. No matter what, nothing dey spoil. We dey una back. Biafra go come. Biafra don already come. Nothing. You see Mazina the carry. Look una leave am for us. Nothing go do am. He go come back. You couldn't leave those ones where they talk church for social media, say they go kill, they will do this one. Nothing, they not get any no level, nothing they be a nyash, nothing. I mean they tell you now. We man God everywhere stew. Now God, now be the chief security. Nothing. You saw those ones where they tie a chain, where they tie a dog, whether not dog head or crocodile head or tortoise head for neck, so there be security for Eastern and East, for Anambra them or for Imo State. They use and they intimidate the people of Biafrans, the youth, the ladies, the mother and the father. They intimidate them, secretly they kill them. You see them, all those things where they tie for change. Nothing. It go fade them. They see them, they see what they happen to them. But I don't know if it talk on my side. Now security they go they come out. Smoke on the last. They go pay for every soul, innocent soul they.
Alright, so guys, a quick one. Since Mazi Simon Ekpa declared an inside court during the hearing on Friday, I'll be on Thursday, Thursday or Friday, since he declared that he's aware of the new nation, I declared Nalati, Finland, in 2024, the USB government, so many of these people now handy for back, handy for group, handy for and cause, they have not been comfortable. They are not circulating that video because the truth is gradually coming out, just like Simon Ekpa said. How man circulated that particular video? So many of us as well have not seen the video. Simon Ekpa had to name court during his defense. Listen to what he said in this video. Get it?
Even the declaration that happened while I was in prison, it's not the first time that people have declared their independence abroad.
Jopa tämä itsenäisyysjulistus, joka annettiin silloin 2003.
Because he mentioned it in the beginning of this court.
Mainitsi se tämän oikeusistunnon alussa.
Maybe he don't know history because even Czechoslovakia,
Ehkä hän ei tunne historiaa, koska jopa Tsekkoslovakia
they declared their independence in Washington.
julisti itsenäisyytensä Washingtonissa.
So it is not even, there is nothing wrong with Biafra declaring independence in March.
Ei ole mitään väärää siinä, että Biafra julistaa itsenäisyytensä Lahdessa.
It is part of the process.
Se on osa tätä prosessia.
Biafra at this point comprises of 40 states.
Tässä kohtaa Biafra koostuu 40 osa-alueesta.
In that 40 states, there are districts.
Näissä 40 osa-alueesta on piiriä.
Each state there are 15 counties.
Ja jokaisessa osa-alueessa on 15
Each county have 5 districts.
countia ja jokaisessa countissa on 5.
And every district have district head.
Ja jokaisen district-hallintoyksikön johdossa on oma äänimies.
Every county have county head.
Jokaisen county-hallintoyksikön johdossa on oma
So
äänimies.
it is a grassroots movement
Tämä on siis ruohonjuuritason liike,
which Nigeria have prevented them for decades,
jonka Nigeria on heiltä vuosikymmeniä estänyt.
dividing them along, joining even different groups together in order to cause common marriages, which I explained yesterday.
Jakanut heidät ja yhdistänyt eri yhteisöjä, mikä on
Alright, they are not circulating this particular video because Master Simon Ekpa said openly in court that he's aware that this is the process that USB government, the United States of Biafra Nation, was declared in Lati. He actually stood in solidarity with that declaration. He stand in unity with that declaration. They are not spreading this particular video because it is not going towards what they were actually propagating or what they were actually pushing out there. But in Kebu, the latest update now, Dr. Abweze has come out to issue a press statement regarding the final judgment argument on 25th and on 26th. She has directed the attorneys of Mazi Simon Ekpa on where to stand, on what to say, and their next plan. Because he said in this write-up now that if the Finnish courts and Finland government didn't do the right thing in this case of Mazi Simon Ekpa by freeing Mazi Simon Ekpa, they will actually continue to pursue where they have submitted this same case to the EU. They have also submitted it to other bodies where they will take appropriate measures regarding this same matter. She listed so many nations and they declared their nation in other nations in exile. She listed how they started operating from exile using their own constitution, and that Biafra will not be an exception. So you need the chance to go from key getting to know this particular update from beginning to the end. Or the update posted by Dr. Abweze yesterday night. I was with the video yesterday, but it was late. So the update went further to say, for PM's Kuvola appeal closing next Tuesday, PM's attorney must say, she is addressing what the attorneys, Simon Ekpa's lawyer, what they must say and where they must stand firmly. Now, she went further to say, PM's attorney must say, my client Simon Ekpa is the prime minister of a government in exile declared in Lahti, Finland, November 29, 2024, with 40 states. These facts should strip Finland the power to try and hold Simon Ekpa. These facts should strip Finland the power to try and hold Simon Ekpa. So once they say that Simon Ekpa is the prime minister of a government in exile declared in Lahti, that Finland will not have any power again to actually try or hold Simon Ekpa. She went further to say, the USB government will escalate this case if not satisfied to the EU Human Rights Court, where we have already filed. That if the Finnish government and the Finnish court, where this case is ongoing, doesn't pass a fair judgment on Simon Ekpa and free him, that they will actually take the matter to EU human rights courts where they have already filed. So as we speak, the USB government, under the leadership of Dr. Abweze, has filed already at the EU, waiting for the results from the appeal court in Lahti, Finland. She went further to say, memorandum of international law, use of constitution by a government in exile, pending recognition. Under Montevideo article, number 1, PM Simon Ekpa and his government meets population, territory, government capacity under Article 3. Political existence is independent of recognition. Therefore, use of constitution in exile is lawful and is evidence of peaceful political activity, not terrorism. 1. Legal question. Can a new nation use its constitution while in exile and while waiting for international recognition? The answer is yes. This is standard practice under international law, that it is right that what they are doing in exile, agitating for Biafra recognition, pushing for Biafra to be known by world powers, it is lawful. And even setting up a constitution, not lawful. Now, number 2, legal basis. A. Montevideo Convention on Rights and Duties of States, 1933, Article 1. The state, as a person of international law, should possess a permanent population. B. Defined territory. C. Government. D. Capacity to enter into relationship with other states. USB met all criteria. Article 3. The political existence of the state is independent of recognition by other states. Recognition is declaratory, not constitutive. Statehood exists when criteria are met, not when others recognize it. So that as USB government stands, it is already, a nation of its own, irrespective of being recognized by others, as long as they have met the criteria, the major criteria. Now, B. ICCPR Article 1 and African Charter Article 19 and 20. All peoples have the right to self-determination. By virtue of that right, they freely determine their political status. Number 3. Government in exile, recognized concept. A government in exile may 1. Adopt and use a constitution. 2. Establish cabinet and institutions. 3. Operate from host state or anywhere it chose. 4. Issue documents, structure administrations. The constitution provides internal legitimacy and rule of law, proof of peaceful political organization. Number 4. Precedents. 1. State of Palestine declared in Algiers, 1988. Granted UN observer state, 2012. Constitution used before recognition. So she's making an example of countries in their recognition through the same process that USB is also going through the same route that USB is actually trying to get their own recognition. And she said in this write-up that USB needs to go the criteria to be a sovereign nation of its own. She made mention of Palestine, how they were declared in Algiers, 1988. They were granted UN observer states, 2012. Constitution used before recognition. They started using their constitution before they were recognized. Now, number 2, Sahrawi Arab Democratic Republic, 1976. They declared in exile. Constitution adopted governs refuge camps. 40 plus recognitions. AU members still awaiting full UN recognition. Number 3, Kosovo, 2001 to 2008. Operated under constitutional framework while under UN administration. Declared independent 2008 using that framework. Number 4, Israel, 1948. Declared states May 14, 1948. They declared their state, that is Israel, in May 1948. Immediately applied declaration as legal basis. Then received recognition, government function before recognition. You understand? So that government can actually start functioning before they now start gaining recognition from other power nations. Now, number 5, application to United States of Biafra. So she's now comparing all these examples she has made to the government of USB, where she said, declaration November 29, 2024 in Lahti, Finland. They have 40 states. Population is Biafra people. Territory, 40 states as defined in constitution and confirmed by PM in Lahti Appeal Court. Government, Deputy Prime Minister, Cabinet, Ministries, 40 states and commissioners, mission head, county head, district head, and ward heads. Constitution provides structure, rule of law, separation of powers. Use of constitution in exile by USB minors, Palestine in Algiers, it evidence peaceful self-determination, not criminal activity. Number 6, conclusion. Under Montevideo and ICCPR, a people may declare statehood, adopt a constitution, and operate as government in exile pending recognition. That a people can actually declare their nation, start using their constitution, while they are awaiting recognition from world powers and other bigger nations. Now, the existence of constitution is evidence of lawful political organization. Exhibit attached. copy of Montevideo Convention, copy of USB Constitution cover page, copy of USB Declaration document cover page. So they have actually piled up all these documents, and that is why they are saying the attorney of Mazi Simon Ekpa should actually stand on this ground. That as long as they stand on this ground, maintaining that USB is a nation of its own, and Simon Ekpa is the prime minister, that they are actually going to move the case further to where it will actually get a fair and where it will actually get justice at large. So that USB is following constitution, they are following footprints of what other nation, the processes other nation used in getting their own national sovereignty and even recognition. That USB may follow that same step. So that is where Dr. Ngozi Oreboweze is standing in this case. Ahead of the judgment on Tuesday and Wednesday, I hope you're getting prepared. I'll leave you guys to watch this other video. Share your thoughts if you have watched to this length. Kabambo, toss out the video. Candidates always ride with fear. See you guys in my next video. Yeah, guys.
Has the prosecution actually proved the case against the accused to the standard required by the European law? That's where Matanga comes in. That is the standard I expect from the Court of Appeal in Finland, whether today, whether Monday, whether Tuesday, whether in future, whether Wednesday. But please tell me, did you? The lesson here is simple. It's not simply my international solidarity that has stood behind the accused. I have exposed the fake Nigerian intelligence evidence that is on trial, not Simon Ekpa. It is Nigerian government under the former Attorney General Abubakar Malami and Ojukwu, the wife of the late Ojukwu, who fought for the same Biafra, who want to betray the cause of these people. As a voluntary public defense expert for the voiceless across the globe, that is the principle I bring to this work. Justice must never depend upon political power of the state. Justice must depend upon evidence and EU law. Full stop. If you have a problem, go and look for the right transformer somewhere and do the necessary. Because if you don't do this, there is a higher court that will make me very happy. And in a higher court, there is no use selecting one lawyer to go. I will go with because I will go as an interested party. Believe me or not, I am not yet done. I am not yet done with Finland. Please, I thank President Stab to take this message. I'm not yet done. Thank you for allowing us to be here. I have behaved so well, and I have done my job, and there's no interference. Thank you. But there, we are still struggling with you until you pay me. You pay you know, I'm not being paid. Mr. Tommy will be paid, but not me. Me, I'm just struggling to bring justice, to tell people that even us from Africa, we have a right to stay wherever we are. We should not be oppressed. We should not be subjected to unfair laws. Whatever happens here, I move to clear the name of, I will remove to clear the name of Simon Ekpa elsewhere. Thank you very much. God bless you. And thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That is for me today. Circulate this clip, let it go high. That's my submission. I'm going to attach the submission itself in writing so that in case, I want some people in Biafra to start thinking also. Don't just look for power. Think, sit down and think like Matanga is thinking. I want to save my brother. Thank you. God bless you.